What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am super excited today. I'm bringing you a project that is going to blow your mind. And guess what? Yes, again, we have a special deal for you. If you click that link down below, it's going to get you the lifetime deal. Now, don't click the link until you know what I'm about to talk about. We're about to roll it in now. I just want to say a big thank you for everyone supporting us. Thank you for all the comments. Let's keep that going. If you make it to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how that link down below can make you a lifetime deal worth of saving. Who's ready? Let's go. So guys, first we're talking about Cheqbook.com. Super happy and blessed to bring this to you. Now, let's have a quick overview. Please remember, all the way through this, links will be down below. All the trusted links, please only use videos that you trust and people that you trust, like me. And there's going to be a lifetime link down there. We'll get back to that at the end. So, Cheqbook, faster accounting is going to save you money. So it's the fastest and easiest to use bookkeeping and accounting software for beginners or for pros, okay? We know that even if as a pro, you need to keep your accounts in check. Now, at the top of the website, we've got compare features, accountant sign up and a sign in, and a 30-day free trial. Do not sign up to anything before I tell you how you can get a lifetime deal. I want to click this video so you can have a little look at the overview.
Is your accounting software getting in the way of running your business? Would you like to save 2 weeks a year?
Yes, I would.
Join thousands of companies around the world that are using Cheqbook to manage their books faster and smarter. After syncing your financial accounts, Cheqbook automatically imports and categorizes your transactions so you can focus your time on what matters most, growing your business. With the most innovative cloud accounting solution, Cheqbook is by your side, ready to help you and your company achieve your goals to make sure you become the next Cheqbook success story. We are ready to set up your accounts and start importing transactions. To start your free trial, click here.
Awesome, guys. Like I said, don't click any links until I tell you how to get the lifetime link down below. So you can see from the video. Let's go into more detail. So Cheqbook's accounting software is engineered to save time. 60 money back guarantee, create unlimited simultaneous unions, make journal entries and split transactions, view your books from your iPad and Android tablet, 15 reports including balance sheet and P&L, export data including contracts and transactions, lock your books, free training videos, unlimited archived companies, automatically download transactions, save time with AccuScore, and send invoices and accept payments online, manage bills, add-on integration, share with your accountant, print reports, statements, 1099s. God, I'm sick of 1099s. Import bulk transactions and feel secure with automated offsite daily backup. Now I can take a breath. I'm out of breath because there's so much stuff that it gives you, and I'm going to give you a lot more. Trust me, okay? The power user features. We got the clean up the data, the automatic, and the fast. You can see here, hover across the question mark. It's going to tell you exactly what. Please do your own research. Click that link down below. You don't just want to trust everything that someone tells you. What makes them different, okay? It imports and categorizes your transaction savings on average 80 hours a year, okay? 80 hours. Compare our accounting software for small business to the rest. So basically, it's a fast and easy way to pick up business owners while having the pro features. The accountants and bookkeepers we need. We can save business owners 2 weeks a year through our patent pending import and smart categorization. Super big partners, and you can see the pricing. Now let's go into the pricing of this project. There's one thing I want to note on this pricing, and I'm not here to FUD. I'm not here to say this is terrible. I'm here to tell you that I have a cheaper price lifetime deal for you down below. So let's have a look at the website pricing. I'm going to compare it to what I'm going to offer you. We have tried out for free. Obviously, you get a 30-day free trial. That's absolutely fantastic. And let's have a look at the pro because, I mean, let's be honest, we all want to go for the pro package. So $37.37 a month for the first 12 months. Now, that's subject to change. I don't know if it will, but after 12 months, they can put that up to whatever they want. So $37, very good price. Well done to Cheqbook. Well done. And you get 10 companies for the number of companies, which is huge. And you get all of the features. Wait until I click that link down below. You ready? Everyone click it with me. I'm going to click it right now. And it takes us to the AppSumo.com page, right? So this is the lifetime deal. Starting at $65. Now, remember what that was. So Cheqbook is a one-time purchase. This is the whole amount, $65. Is that sitting in your head correctly? $65. Now, what do we get? We get lifetime access to Cheqbook plan. You must redeem your codes within 60 days. So please, if you do decide to click that link down below and buy it, please get it done within 60 days. All future Cheqbook plan updates, please note this deal is not stackable, so you can't stack it with other codes on this. If you've been watching these videos, this is a one-time only. 60-day money-back guarantee, no matter the reason. If the reason was your dog ate your computer, it doesn't matter. 60 days, you're getting that money back. Now, proprietor plan being offered with supports one company, automatically connect and download transactions from banks and finance solutions, AccuScore automated categorization of expenses, easy financial reporting. Let's go back to the pricing of the cheapest model. £9.87 gets you one company. Proprietor plan being offered which supports one company for $65. You're thinking to me, George, why would I pay $65 when I could pay $9? Yes, you're right. You could pay $9. And after 12 months, they could change that to say $20. Why'd I pay $65, sorry, when I could pay $20? Because if you notice that this is every single month for the rest of your life or the rest of the life of your business. Do you see your business going more than 6 months? Do you? If you do, or do you hope it's going to go more than 6 months? If you do, look, $65, if it goes to month 7, which, let's be honest, if your business doesn't make it to number 7, you shouldn't have bought this package anyway. 7 months in, you've already saved $5. 7 years in, I don't think I could type the amount of numbers you save. Okay, so listen, it's a one-time purchase, $65. That's it. You don't have a direct debit. You don't need to give your card details. They don't keep it. They don't say, hey, every single month. You might have a bad month where you're like, I can't afford $10. It doesn't matter because you paid $65 one off. That's the deal we're giving you today. It's super, super good. Okay, make sure you click that link down below. Other things you get with it, okay, is a discounted version of their proprietary plan. So automatically download transactions, save time with the smart categorization, create unlimited simultaneous units, journal entries, view your books for your iPad or Android tablet, 15 reports including balance sheet, everything else here, okay, that you can see, get your access. It's limited to 1 per customer and cannot be combined with any other offers. It's incredible what you get here. Please, only click that link down below. Now, guys, let me know if you love this video, all right? Please hit that link down below or you're not going to get the incredible deal of just $65 like I've just talked through, okay? Please give us a shout out in the comments. Let us know if you get it. If you love this video, please subscribe. If you just thought it was okay, give us a like anyway. It helps the algorithm. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified, because guess what? I've got another lifetime deal I'm about to make a video on right after this, ready for you. Okay, so get involved, support us, we support you. Have a blessed day, and I will see you on that next deal.